Belo Horizonte, also known as Biga, the state capital of Minas Gerais, is a prime example of the state's welcoming nature and abundance of delicious foods, traditions and good stories. Belo Horizonte is allegedly made up of a large number of small rural towns. Some claim it to be the pub capital of the world. Belo Horizonte is also recognized by UNESCO as a creative city of cuisine. BH is in fact all of that and more. You will fall in love with the creativity and diversity of the state of Minas Gerais after visiting Belo Horizonte. The city has broad tree-lined boulevards, a lot of open space and top-notch galleries and museums. Belo Horizonte is also thought to have the highest density of bars per resident of any city in the world. In addition to the Parque Municipal Americo, boating ponds and amusement park, the city has some lovely green spaces. Beautiful views can be seen from the Alta Villa Tower, and you can eat at the Hard Rock Cafe while taking them in. Some of the best nightclubs in Belo Horizonte are located along Avenida Raia Gabalia. Everything from live performances to the newest electronic music or Brazilian music is available. The World Cup was held at Mineiro in 2014. It is Belo Horizonte's largest football stadium and is situated in the Pampulha neighborhood, 5.6 miles from the city center. If you're in the area, it's worthwhile to attend a match and to experience the energy of the 64,000-seat venue. After that, take a short stroll to the nearby Lagoa de Pampulha to admire the lake's scenic beauty. Make a brief stop at the Niemeyer-designed Pampulha architectural complex and nearby São Francisco de Assis Church to take in the stunning architecture. The Bristol Pampulha Hotel, which is conveniently located close to the stadium, is a great place to unwind after a long day. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The Fundaco Zoo, situated on a 144-hectare forest in the Pampulha, is regarded as the second largest public flora and fauna area in the city. Visit the forest-based zoo to see thousands of creatures from 250 different species, including lions, rhinos, hippos, elephants and giraffes. The zoo exhibits species from Europe, Asia and Africa. Visit the reptile house to observe a live python in action, the botanical garden to discover interesting facts about various plant species, and the greenhouses to take in various displays of palm trees, bromeliads, medicinal plants and aromatic plants. The Praca is the ideal location for unwinding and engaging in worthwhile physical pursuits. Due to the presence of the majority of state offices, it serves as the hub of public administration. On a hot summer day, take in a breathtaking view of the Pampulha Lagoon while hiking, jogging or cycling. It has a small amusement park, basketball courts and a greenhouse. Additionally, there are kid-friendly attractions like Guanabara Park and the Francisco de Assis Church nearby. After the extensive exploration, relax with some well-deserved cold coconut water.